Mastering basics first. Walk before you run. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used phrase, walk before you run. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and add another useful expression to your English toolkit. Walk before you run is a popular English idiom that advises on the importance of mastering basic or simple tasks before moving on to more complex ones. It's a metaphorical way of saying that before attempting to do something difficult, one should ensure they have a good grasp of the fundamentals. This phrase can be applied to various aspects of life, including learning new skills, career advancement, or even personal development. To help you better understand how to use walk before you run, let's look at a few examples. Learning a new language. Imagine you're trying to become fluent in English. It's important to start with the basics, like vocabulary and grammar, before jumping into complex literature or advanced conversation. This approach ensures a solid foundation that makes the learning process smoother and more effective. Career advancement. If you're aiming for a higher position at your job, it's wise to first excel in your current role. Gaining experience and honing your skills are crucial steps before taking on more responsibilities or leadership positions. Personal projects. Say you want to run a marathon. It would be wise to start with shorter distances, gradually increasing your stamina and endurance. Starting directly with a marathon without proper preparation could lead to disappointment or injury. Understanding the phrase, walk before you run, is one thing, but applying it is another. Here are a few tips on how to make this advice work for you. Set realistic goals. Break down your main goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Achieve these smaller goals step by step. Patience is key. Learning and growth take time. Be patient with yourself as you progress from simpler to more complex challenges. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback on your progress. This can help you identify areas for improvement and ensure you're on the right track. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and application of the phrase, walk before you run. Remember, mastering the basics is crucial in any endeavor. It sets a strong foundation that prepares you for future challenges. Keep practicing, stay patient, and gradually advance towards your goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!